skip ko po.
5, 4, 3.
Let's take a break from drama and give recognition, this time for the most entertaining programs of 2024.
First up is the star for Best Variety Show, and this goes to... It's Showtime! GMA7, GTV, A to Z, and All TV.
Presenting the trophy from the PNPC is Execom Glenn Sibonga.
What's up, mga people? Grabe, in behalf of the Showtime family, maraming salamat po talaga. Wow, nakakaiyak pa na pag ako na mag-isa. Gusto po kasi kami. Pero in behalf po sa bumubuo ng Showtime, kami po ay nagpapasalamat talaga sa PNPC for giving us recognition ng paulit-ulit. Maraming salamat po at syempre sa madlang people na hindi po talaga kami iniwan through ups and downs. Yes. And sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Showtime, sa directors, creatives, writers, sa mga hosts, sa people in front and behind sa camera na araw-araw nagbibigay po ng saya. Nakakaiyak. Si alas 12 na. Then, araw-araw nagbibigay po kami ng good vibes. For 15 years, hindi niyo po kami binitawan. At sa GMA, maraming salamat dahil binigyan niyo po kami ng panibagong bahay. And hindi po kami titigil na magpasaya ng madlang people saan man kayo lupalop sa mundo. Maraming salamat for giving us energy. Kayo po yung nag-fuel ng saya sa amin na kayo po yung nag-inspire sa amin na magbigay saya sa kahit na ano man po ang pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. So, we got you, madlang people. Good vibes lang. Kaya umulan man o umaraw, nandito lang po ang It's Showtime. Yes, I'm back. Here are the nominees for Best Male TV Host.
For Best Male TV Host, Darren Espanto, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A to Z, and All TV. Gary Valenciano, ASAP, TV5 and A to Z. Martin Rivera, ASAP, TV5 and A to Z. Ogie Alcacid, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A to Z, and All TV. Robbie Domingo, ASAP, TV5 and A to Z. Vic Soto, Itbulaga, TV5 and RPTV. And Vice Ganda, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A to Z, and All TV.
And the star for Best Male TV Host goes to... Vic Soto, Itbulaga, TV5.
Presenting the trophy from the PNPC and cash prize from Playtime. Co-chairman Romel Placente, together with Pinipili Playtime Samantha Acosta and Playtime Peer Director Ms. Grisha Cortez.
Sa PNPC Star Awards, maraming salamat po sa ginawad yung parangal sa akin. At ito po ay dinededicate ko po sa lahat ng Dabber Gods, yung mga kasama natin sa programa. At siyempre sa lahat ng mga walang sawang sumusuporta po sa Itbulaga. Maraming salamat at higit sa lahat sa Panginoon Diyos. God bless you all.
And now, here are the nominees for Best Female TV Host.
For Best Female TV Host, Ami Perez, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A to Z, and All TV. Ann Curtis, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A to Z and All TV. Karil, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A to Z and All TV. Kim Chu, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A to Z and All TV. Maine Mendoza, Itbulaga, TV5 and RPTV. Pokwang, TikTok Lock, GMA 7. And Regine Velasquez, ASAP, TV5 and A to Z.
And the star for Best Female TV Host goes to Ann Curtis. It's showtime.
Presenting the trophy from the PMPC, PRO Eric Borromeo. To accept the award is Miss Kim Chu.
Dami mong trabaho, Kimi.
Yes, laban. In behalf of Ate Ann sa PMPC, maraming salamat. And nakalimutan ko mag-thank you kanina kay Meme. Meme, maraming salamat. Eto Ate Ann, congrats sa'yo. Eto na, here's your trophy. Yun na ba yun? Maraming salamat PMPC.